Welcome to Excel Employee Leave Tracker. Today I will demonstrate the CountIf function for HR and payroll administrators within 5 minutes. You may have a list of employees that you need to identify and count to see if they fall within a certain department or, for my purposes, are DC characters. So my question is, how many heroes are in DC? This is where the CountIf function comes into play. So what we're going to do is go to the empty cell and type in equals CountIf, open parentheses. We're then going to go to the cells that contain the data we wish to count. We will highlight that data. We will then hit the comma. Because our data is text, we need to put it in double quotes. Double quote, what are we looking for? We're looking for how many people or how many heroes are within DC. So we type in DC, double quote, close parentheses, and then hit enter. And here we have seven heroes are in DC. And if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We now have a simple but effective formula to use to count employees within a certain criteria. If you like this video, please smash the thumbs up. Thank you, and please leave a comment at the end.